Alright, this is the Nature Hike wood burning stove. Looks pretty awesome. It's incredibly light. Can't wait to try it out. Probably gonna let my girls make some marshmallows on it. Everything you need. Nothing you don't. Gonna use some duct tape to light it. I just made a duct tape match out of the duct tape that I had on my ferrocenium rod. That should light up just fine. Got my wood ready. It appears to be throwing some heat off already. It's gonna throw some nice heat. Only got like 3 big sticks in there. Not too shabby.
Daddy, you're roasting your marshmallow.
Yes, I am. Enjoying every minute of it.
We're just playing around. Hard it's eating.
Overall, I'd say this was a success. Got our marshmallows worth out of it. Puts out a lot of heat. It's really efficient with the fuel consumption there. It does not take a lot to keep this thing going. I feed it, you know, like one stick like this size. Every now and then, right? Not bad at all.